Hey, Coach Harlan here with I-Before-E Coaching. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss any of these great videos. All right, it's sad that I have to say this, but it's something that I do have to say after talking with a couple of my clients and with some other business owners. Something I have to say. If this is not you, apologize, but bear with me for a minute. But all the rest of you contractors, all the rest of you business owners, franchise owners, listen to this. Do not complain about your competitors. Do not badmouth your competitors. I'll tell you exactly what I mean and why and what you should do instead right after this. So stick with me. So years and years ago, had a contractor come out to my house. We were getting ready to redo our kitchen, remodel our kitchen. We're looking for new kitchen cabinets. The guy came in for the appointment, showed up a little late, which is another beef, but I'll do that in another video. Showed up a little bit late, came in and spent about 45 minutes bad-mouthing every other kitchen cabinet contractor in the area. 45 minutes. And at the end of it, he laid out his stuff and said, so what do you think of this or what do you think of that? And I asked him, just go ahead and pack everything up and leave. I'm done. And he goes, what do you mean? We haven't talked about my products. I said, I know, but that's your problem. You spent all your time bad-mouthing everybody else. That tells me you have nothing to stand on. You have nothing about your products that I should want to buy. If all you can do is complain about them, that means that you're no good. And I kicked him out of the house. That was the end of it. That was the end of our conversation. You never, ever want to badmouth your competitors. Sometimes, I mean, you don't know who the customer is, right? If they come in and start talking badly about one of your competitors, don't get involved in it. What we used to call BMW sessions, or bitch, moan, and whine. Do not get involved in those BMW sessions with your customer. Turn that conversation around in a positive way so that you can talk about your products, your services, your crew, so that they know they're getting top notch. All right. If they come up and start complaining about service that they had, bad service they had, or bad situation they had, or a contractor that came out to their house and what they did or did wrong, don't engage with that. Tell them, hey, I'm sorry that happened to you, but our company, we pride ourselves on the quality of products and services and our employees. We have systems and processes in place to make sure that that never happens. Let me tell you about what we can do for you. Or if they're really complaining about it, say, hey, it's not fair for me to comment because I don't really know that other company. Tell me what it is that they did wrong so that we don't make the same mistakes for you. Right? Try to turn it around to positive. Always talk about your products, your services, your quality control, your guarantees. That's a lot more important. Don't get involved in complaining about that competitor because it reflects badly on you. If part of your sales process is asking who they've worked for in the past, don't comment if they said we worked with so-and-so and had a terrible experience. Don't comment. Don't roll your eyes. Don't snicker under your breath. Make a note, but then go right back to whatever your products and services are, right? The focus should always be on the product and services you're going to deliver, not what somebody else failed to do. All right, I know this was brief, but I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button. Make sure you share this with your family and friends and colleagues. If you want to talk about your products and services and maybe coming up with a script that you can teach your employees so that they know how to respond to comments from these different customers and stuff, let's chat. I've got scripts. We can pull one of those and tweak it for you and make sure it works. Reach out to me. Go out to www.timewithcoach.com and schedule a free 20-minute discussion. We'll talk about your current situation and come up with some ideas for how we can help you with that. All right, and that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Coach Harlan saying so long for now.